Yeah.
Yo, Missa Chin, call me call Virgin.
Wayne, my nigga, how are you?
You tell about call me nigga Virgin.
Every day you come here, you calling me Mr. Chin. My name Bing Liu. We even. And what you want? And why your face look like your girlfriend sit on it, Wayne?
Missa Chin, what that?
Nothing. Come. What's problem? Come.
Alright. Well, Missa Chin, the reason I become link is telling the truth, some boy beat me up there, you see me?
Beat you up?
Yeah. The man them buff me, but I take with the chain and the wallet be and buy for us, it's them fake. The man them come back again and beat me again.
Chain real. You fake. Now, if you know karate, nobody rob you, Wayne.
Somebody need the help. Need somebody there.
Wayne, I cannot fight the community. If I fight the community, I get no customer, and I cannot sell wallaby.
Missa Chin, fuck your blood clot wallaby and see when them thump out my nose.
What I can do for you, though, my friend, is to teach you how to defend yourself with the ancient martial arts. Sleep good, eat well, and link tomorrow. And Wayne, don't wear that tight pants tomorrow. You cannot kick in that.